How to jumpstart a tractor with an iPhone. Yeah, of course those. Ooh. Oh, that's in gear, it's in gear. I thought you said it was in fucking neutral. I thought you said it was in fucking neutral, man. That's why you always have, hey, that is why you always have, no, but it still works, eh? That's mad, man. That's why you always have your tractor pointed in the safe direction. Hold that.
Why are we doing this?
Hold that. Why? Because we're fucking, it's the diggity.
Jeff, I've got a better idea, man. I'll go get the key.
Nah, try it again, try it again. No, that's what I'm saying, we don't need the key.
Dipstick, man. Dipstick.
Well, that was the original idea, but you're iPhoning it. Okay, one more time, one more. Your phone still, I can't believe your phone still goes. Oh, so close! Whoa! Is it still going?
Yeah, it's still like fully working.
It's fucking swollen. Smells bad.
It's not
Smells
good,
absolutely
man.
fucking terrible. Is it working?
It's really not good, man. It's fucked out like that now.
Oh yeah, well, okay, get the dipstick. That fucking stinks.
One iPhone down. Shit.
Yeah, you did that yourself, eh?
What's that?
You did that yourself, eh?
Oh, shit.
Yeah, no, watch out, it's hot. Fuck, man. Your iTunes, eh?
No.
Hey, iTunes and insurance, man. Fucking problem solved. So that's it. Oh, you might as well fucking get it started now. Hey,
No.
hey, no, wait. Hey, come here.
I've got an
Wait.
idea, bro. I've got an
Hey.
idea.
No, I've got an idea. Your phone's already fucked, isn't it?
Are you filming this, bro?
What's that? Yes. That's not gonna work. Yeah, those two there. Boom! No.
Yeah, man.
That's my drink. No. Oh, your phone's already fucking dead. Might as well start with the phone. Oi, I bet no one has started. Oi, come on. You might as well finish it now. No, you might as well start it with it now.
No.
Look, your phone's fucking fried.
Jeff, come on. I know you wanted to post this, bro.
I'm going to.
First,
Look, it's already fried.
we're trying to.
It's already fried. You might as well fucking
We're
finish it,
trying to
man.
hot wire.
I can't see what's happening, bro.
We're trying to hot wire.
You might as well, because it's so nearly started. No, a bit more.
On your phone, what the hell?
Oh, the phone's fucked now.
Why would you do that?
No, you've wrecked the starter mode. Hey, you fucked the starter mode now as well, man.
That's your iPhone. It's not your iPhone, eh?
No, it was. It's a stick now. It's
Oh, you clown.
Yeah.
Are you going to still try to think for that girl at the fucking shop?
No.
Why would you
Yeah.
do your phone?
Hey,
Fucking hell.
I bet your phone sucks.
Some kind of accident.
Hey, so anyway,
I was coerced by Jeff.
the dipstick. Get the dipstick, man.
Option B.
Option B, yeah, hold my drink.
Option B. Fucking option B should have been out.
Where's the fucking dipstick? It's on the other side. Hey, main thing. Tractor pointed safe direction. Bro, your phone is fucking fried. That smelled bad. You've got insurance, eh?
I can't believe you put me in starting a tractor with an iPhone.
Bro, I can't believe you tried, man. Oh, I can't believe you nearly started. Honestly, that's one of, actually no, quite probably the most awesomest. Okay, if you want to start a tractor, you just get the fucking dipstick and the fucking thing go. Oh. Maybe. Close. Closer than a fucking iPhone. Hey, the iPhone nearly started, eh?
Yeah. No, iPhone's
I can
the
need
best,
some.
bro.
I can need some more gas.
No, you burnt out the
The retina, the retina display has been burnt out. Maybe it does have a switch and I was full of shit.
Oh, stop it!
Jeff,
Yo,
it's clicking over the starter mode, but it's
I
not
know.
like a fucking.
it doesn't need ignition because it's a fucking diesel, man. I'm dead hard. I used to do this. Oh. See, it's a piece of shit. It's a problem, man. Hey,
Carry on, bro.
it's not your phone. It's not the dipstick. It's not fucking us. It's the fucking tractor, man.
Oh.
You see? That is like straight up 400 amps. Trying to pass through the outside of your phone. No wonder it fucked out and got hot. Woo! Yeah, baby! Dipstick! Hey, and then you put the dipstick back in the hole. Ooh.